In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Outlook login loop. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, as weak or unstable network can interrupt with the verification process. Next up, enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Now launch Outlook app, force close the app and relaunch it, or even restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Next up, check date and time settings in your device. To do that, launch settings. Go to general, click on date and time. Toggle on for the option set automatically. Likewise, you can clear cache for the app. Go to iPhone storage, find the app Outlook. Once you find it, launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. Then click on reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still are having the issue, check the server status of Outlook. To do that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for Outlook. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. If you're having issues in the app, you can try to log in using the web version. Navigate to the official website of Outlook, provide your credentials, and from here you can sign in. That's it. Follow these steps one by one and you should be able to get past the security verification screen and log into Outlook without any problems. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.